Hey everyone, in this video we will make API for deleting multi-user at once in our Next.js MySQL CRUD application. So this is my project directory. First of all, let's start the server. So I will write npm run dev. Before that I will change my directory to next MySQL, and then I will run npm run dev. This will start my server, and now my server is up on localhost at port 3000. Now in the project directory, in pages folder, APIs, users, here I will make a file delete multi.js, and in this file first of all I will import Prisma from config.db. So I will write import Prisma, and then I will export an async function. So I will write export default async function handler, and here we will have request and response, and then here we will use switch case. So I will write switch request method, and here we will check for delete, and in case of delete method we will run a delete multi function with two parameters, request and response. So here we will define that function. Here we will use try catch block. We will, in case of any error, we will return a response with status 500 and JSON of error message. Then in the try block we will first destructure all the IDs from the request body. So we will write IDs request body, and then we will use Prisma for deleting multi-users at once from the user table. So I will write await Prisma user delete many, and here we will write where ID in IDs. So this will delete all the users whose ID is stored in this IDs array. So after deleting the users from the user table, we will send a response with status 200 and JSON of an object success deleted multi. Now let's test our API. So for testing I will use Thunder client. I will make a new request. Here I will write my endpoint, and that is localhost 3000 API users. First we will get all the users, so I will send a get request on this endpoint. This will return me all the users in the user table. As you can see right here, we have two users as of now, with ID 2 and ID 3. Now we will delete these users. So I will make a delete request on delete multi endpoint with body IDs. I will send the request body in JSON format. So I will write IDs, and here we will provide ID. So I will write 2, 3. Now let's send the request, and here you can see it has responded me with success deleted multi. It means the user with ID 2 and ID 3 is deleted now from the users table. Now let's check with get request. So I will make a get request in the users endpoint, and this will bring me all the users in the user table. So I will make this request and let's see what happens. And now here you can see it has responded me with an empty array. It means there are no users in the user table now, and our delete multi API is working correctly. So that's all about this video, guys. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.